outside?
Yes, it's very hot.
So today we have come up with 3 different types of mojitos. But before we get started, do not forget to smash the like button,
Subscribe
and share this video with your
family and friends.
So let's get refreshed.
The first mojito is sunset mojito.
The ingredients you require for the sunset mojito are ice cubes, soda, lemon slices, orange slices, some orange juice, mint leaves and some powdered sugar. The first step is to take the lemon slices, orange and the mint leaves and muddle it using a muddler. Now we're going to be taking the mixture and putting it in our glass. Now we're going to be adding powdered sugar, and we're going to stir it by adding the orange juice. Now we're going to be adding the ice cubes and the club soda. Now mojito is ready and we are going to garnish it. Now it's time for you to enjoy this in your summer. The next mojito is the Hulk Mojito.
The ingredients for the Hulk mojito are ice cubes, lemon juice, soda, lemon slices, chaat masala, grind sugar, mint leaves, cucumber puree.
The cucumber puree is made from 1 cucumber, 5 to 6 mint leaves and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. So let's get started. To add a few lemon slices and mint leaves and muddle it. Now we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of the cucumber puree. Now we're going to be adding some lemon juice. One teaspoon of powdered sugar and a pinch of salt and a pinch of chaat masala. Now we will stir it. Now we will add ice cubes and soda. Now our Hulk mojito is ready and we will garnish it.
Now we are making the Cindrella mojito.
The ingredients you require for the Cindrella mojito are ice cubes, soda, lemon juice, chaat masala, lemon slices, black salt, watermelon, powdered sugar and some mint leaf. So let's get started. The first step is to add watermelon slices, lemon slices and mint leaf in your mug and start muddling it. Now we will add chaat masala and black salt. 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Now we will add lemon juice and ice cubes. And some soda. Now our Cindrella mojito is ready. Now we will garnish it. If you like the video, don't forget to like,
share
and subscribe. We will meet you in our next video.
Till
then, bye-bye.